Op Garage Racer. American taillights look cool, but they are illegal by Ukrainian standards. That's why today we're going to retrofit our project G30 540 with European legal lights. Why replace rather than recycle the taillights? Everything is very simple. The first thing is the appearance. No matter how hard the craftsman tries, it will still be clear that the lantern has been disassembled, and the aesthetic appearance of this Bavarian masterpiece will be spoiled. The second is the warranty. The second is though, we are 100% sure that the factory lantern will not fog up or water will not leak into it. And what will happen to the custom ones? I don't know.
God knows who can do that.
This retrofit is that we are installing restyled lights on the pre-restyled version of the car. In this case, it is necessary to pull an additional wire from the control unit to make everything look as neat as possible. It must be attached under the interior trim along with the main wiring. In addition, the location of the foams in the trunk lid chips changes in accordance with the new lights. And most importantly, don't forget about the coating. It's not enough to just connect the headlights. It needs to be clearly stated that the car is now equipped with European optics and the system must work with the new configuration.
And now we are finalizing the work. We've already coated it, now we just need to assemble the interior and enjoy the result. It took us 3 hours and 43 minutes to complete the entire project. Third, your time is priceless. Just think about the idea of recycling taillights. You leave your car, they disassemble the lights, put them back together, and test them. How much time will it take you? No comfort, no mobility. We can do this to your BMW or Mini at any of our stations in Ukraine and abroad. Up Garage Racer. See you all.